In this video we have a radical expression with 4 different parts. So since there is a lot going on, I'm going to break this up into 4 different cube roots basically. So in the first part we've got the cubed root of 81. That will be multiplied by the cube root of y to the 13th. The cube root of, whoops, I need my 3 there. The cube root of a to the 15th. And then the cube root of b to the 20th. Okay, and hopefully by treating it like 4 different problems, it will make it a little bit easier to solve. So now, this part right here, we ask ourselves, is there any perfect cubes that go into 81, that divide into 81 evenly? And there is, it's 27. So I'm going to write the cube root of 27 times 3, because 27 times 3 will give us 81. Now, does 13 get divided evenly by the 3? No, so we have to figure out how many we have to take out, like how many y's do we have to separate y to the 13 with to get it divisible by a 3. So we know that 12 is divisible by 3 evenly, so if we take out one y, that'll work. So we'll do y to the 12th, take the cube root of that, and then that's going to be y to the 1st right here. Now continuing on, is 15 divisible by 3 evenly? Yeah, so I could just do a to the 15 divided by 3. And then is 20 divided by 3 evenly? No, so how many do I have to take out? And that would be 2, because if we get this 20 to become 18, then 18 divided by 3 will be 6. So I'll say b to the 18th power. We want to take the cube root of this. Oops, I forgot a cube root over here. And then we need a b squared. We're going to take the cube root of that. Let's go through one more time. So the cube root of 27, that's just 3. The cube root of 3, well, that can't be simplified, so I'm just going to write that again. We could switch forms here. This will be y to the 12 over 3. The cube root of 1 to the 1st power. Can't break that down at all. This becomes a to the 5th power. We don't use absolute value there because although our exponent here is odd, it came from an odd power. So if it was an even power up here, then we would need absolute values. Let's do switching our forms. So this ends up being b to the 18th over 3rd power, and then don't have to do anything there, so I just rewrite the cube root of b squared. Go through again and simplify. We've got a 3, so that's done. Let's hold off on this. We want to write all the variables next. So we've got y to the 12 over 3, so that's going to be the same as y to the 4th power. So then we're done with that. We have a to the 5th. I could write that. And then 18 divided by 3 is going to be 6, so we write b to the 6th. So I'm done with this, and now comes everything that's left under the radicals that can't be simplified. So it's going to be a 3, a y, and then this b. So we'll do 3 times, well, I'll put the y next. So that'll be 3 times y to the 1st times b squared, and we want the cube root of all that. So then our final answer will be 3 times y to the 4th times a to the 5th times b to the 6th times the cube root of 3y b squared, and that's going to be our final answer.